All right, so in the last video, we talked about the pairs, the three major categories, the majors, minors, and the emerging markets. I want you to add that to TradingView. Go to tradingview.com. You've created that in previous video, a free account in previous video. And when you go to TradingView, over to the right hand side, you have the watch list icon. Make sure that's clicked. You should see watch list on the screen, and then you'll see all the symbols. Now I've preloaded my TradingView. I'll show you how to do this you'll see that I have the majors, all of the USD correlated pairs, all of the USD correlated pairs. And then I've added the minors, the euro crosses, the yen crosses, and the pound crosses. And so you may have things already populated in your screen. So what I want you to do is to hover over everything that you have populated in your screen, and I want you to scroll over a pair and just X out of all of those, all of the symbols that you have. I want a blank sheet right here. So just hit the X button. When you hit the X button, that pair will disappear, and then we'll add those pairs back in. I'm gonna show you how to do that. All right, so now that all of those pairs are, your screen is X'd out, what you're going to do is you're going to go to what I want you to do to add in all of the pairs. The way that you do that, I want you to hover over the three dots, and it'll be settings. Click settings, scroll down to add section, and you will see a section added, section 1. Left click on that, drag it to the bottom, and then double click on it. And I'm going to add minor pairs. So I'm going to put minor. And then I'm going to just add the other crosses that are not in here currently. And close that. All right, so now I have minor other crosses. And then to add symbols to that category, we're going to hit the plus sign, add symbol. We can go to all, but we're going to click on Forex here. And I'm going to add the other crosses. So I have AUD chef. I'm going to scroll down here and hit the plus button. When I see that symbol, hit plus. And now I'm going to add AUD CAD. Hit the plus button. And then I'm going to add AUD NZD. Hit the plus button. And you're going to do this for all of the categories in that previous video. You're going to do this. So it'll take a little bit of time, but get used to doing this. I add quotes all the time and so this free version is not going to allow me to add everything. So I want you to add as much as you can for right now. But as you can see in this minor other cross section, you can see all of the quotes that were just added. There's a few others that I didn't add, but you can see those all added. And so now I can click on any of these and the chart will print up. I'm going to go to our Euro USD trade that we're currently in, and we can see that on the right hand side we have all of the exchange rates that are going. The current exchange rate is 1.06813 for Euro USD. Let's click on USD chef. The current exchange rate is 0.90106. Let's click on EJ Euro JPY. 160.790 is the current exchange rate, which means that for every dollar of the euro, it would take 160.798 yen dollars to equal $1 of the euro. And so play around with that. I want you to populate your watch list with all the majors, minors, and you can probably add some emerging markets as well, but play around with that within TradingView. Also, one thing I want you to do in TradingView, you'll see these bars down at the bottom. You don't need that. So to delete that, what I want you to do is go all the way up to the left, and you'll see the price button, and you'll see volume. Hover over volume, or VOL, and hit the X button, and that'll delete those bars at the bottom. But play around with this, look at all of the exchange rates, look at all the prices, and make sure that you add all of these into your watch list. And I'll see you in the next video.